Good morning. We are looking off to the east right now on our Storm Team Skycam network here in Fargo. Quiet weather. We've got some clouds building in, obscuring that full moon. Officially full yesterday, the first day of 2018. We had our first full moon. And it was nice and bright, and we'll hopefully see some of that coming up here in the forecast. But with clouds rolling in, we'll end up with some snow too here for your Tuesday. The other thing that's coming with that snow is a nice warm up. Temperatures finally climbing above zero coming up for later today. And we've already seen them starting to rise. In Fargo, we're at 5 below here. Our low temperature this morning was down to 11 below. So on their way up across the valley. 2 below your current reading in Grand Forks. It's 2 below in Valley City and in Devil's Lake. Much colder to the south. We're at 18 below in Fergus Falls and 17 below in Wahpeton. And Sisseton already 1 above here. Checking out your wind chills. We are feeling like we are in the 20s and 30s below. So still some tough wind chills to begin our day this morning. Some of us in the 30s below in the south with those lower temperatures. 31 below your wind chill in Wahpeton and Fergus Falls. Gwinner, the coldest area here on the map at 39 below, and some 30s below as well up north for your wind chill. So still feeling frigid this morning when you step out the door with that combination of temperatures that are still below zero and what we're looking at on the map here. Winds that are a bit strong for this time of day. Wind out of the south or southwest. That's a good warming direction, but they're strong. So we're not feeling too warm out there. We've got a wind gust to 26 miles per hour in Fargo out of the south and 28 miles per hour in Gwinner. Our visibility down in Thief River Falls to less than 2 miles there. Langdon also reporting a 2-mile visibility report. And elsewhere, we're seeing some visibility that's looking okay. And checking out your radar and satellite map, we're seeing some quiet weather, though clouds are rolling in. We have to expand the view to show you what's heading our way. A boundary moving through that's triggering some snow showers in parts of Saskatchewan and into Manitoba, and that'll continue to drop in. So first place to see this will be the Devil's Lake Basin, and then moving southeastward from there. Here's how this will play out in your hour-by-hour planner. We've got some sub-zero readings again this morning, and we're going to be working our way toward the 0-degree mark coming up by 9 a.m. We're going to see some numbers above zero and continue that stretch as we get toward the noon hour. We'll have a temperature of 8 degrees in Fargo, and at that point we might be getting some light snow coming down. It's a thin band, not expecting a bunch of snow with this, but still some accumulation could lead to some slick spots on the roads here today. If you're going to be hitting the roads after your holidays, you're going to be potentially running into some of this here this morning. Along with the wind, visibility will be down for a time wherever those snow showers are happening, and might be picking up some of that snow that's out there anyway on the ground and lofting that as well. So a windy day, but a warmer one. Heading into the afternoon hours, we'll see some temperatures into the teens in eastern North Dakota, teens above zero. Remember, Saturday we set those record low high temperatures for the day. Our high was only 15 below in Fargo. We're about 30 degrees warmer for our high here on Tuesday. And we see some lingering snow showers into the afternoon, but gradually things should be winding down. The wind shifts to more northwesterly direction, and that will start to introduce some colder air again for your Wednesday. So checking out your snowfall potential for today, most places just getting a dusting up to an inch. Can't rule out 1 or 2 places in these more opaque blue areas where we could see that 1+ range, 1 to 2 inches potentially. But other than that, just a dusting here today to maybe a ½ inch or an inch of snow. Our hour-by-hour planner has temperatures below zero again tomorrow morning. Not as bad as we've been, but it is going to be kind of cold. Temperatures into the double digits below zero. It's funny to say that double digits below zero is only somewhat cold for us at this point in time because we know where we've been. Still, of course, dangerous to not be prepared for that kind of weather. And getting into the afternoon hours, some get to zero or above in southeastern parts of North Dakota, but a lot of us spend the day below zero again for your Wednesday. Here's a photo of that full moon. This is at moonrise in the War Road area. Thank you, David, for sharing your photo. As a super moon too, by the way. And checking out your forecast for the rest of the 7-day period, we're looking at some sunshine but cold on Wednesday. Thursday we start to warm back up and we get into the teens Friday and Saturday. And Sunday we see some low 20s potentially with a chance for a little bit of snow coming up for the weekend. So we're working our way out of this. You know, it's going to be still, pretty cold out there. We're well below freezing still in the forecast, but not like it was.
Ah, we need some relief.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lisa. Many New Year's resolutions have been set about fitness. Coming up next on the Valley Today, we'll show you some workouts that will help you get into a good routine in the new year.